Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are in the community of Marvita. Now Marvita is going to be a new community and they are still building homes in this community. There are going to be over 15 builders in this community, and the builder we're going to view today is going to be Long Lake. Now this plan is going to be the 269 plan. It is a 4 to 5 bedroom plan, 2.5 bath, 2-story, and the square footage is a little under 3,000. Now the starting price, if you could believe it or not, it is less than $415,000. We are going to take a quick tour of this home and you're going to tell me what you think in the comments section. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And if you have not done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe, like, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. And fun fact about this community, it is not just going to have the basic swim pool, rec center like most communities. This one is going to actually have a swimming pool plus a lazy river. So that might be some interest to some families. So let's go ahead and take a quick tour of this beautiful home behind me. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with me through this tour. Now, if you have any questions regarding this builder, this model, or any other real estate questions, make sure you go ahead and leave them in the comments section below. And if you want to view other homes that are below the $500,000 mark, make sure you check out the playlist of the homes that are for $500,000 or less. And if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe, like, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. You all have a wonderful and blessed day.